Hello, homeschool moms or teacher friends. If you're looking for ideas for letter E, today in my online class, I did E is for elephant, and not just any elephant. We talked about Elmer Elephant. Elmer is a patchwork elephant, and that is based on the story. I'll show you the book by David McKee. So as you can see, Elmer is very colorful. And that's how we're going to decorate our E today. We used crayons and made it very colorful. And some other ideas for your day is to make a patchwork elephant. And I'm going to head over to the art table and show you that really quickly. So here I have just a printable of an elephant, and I just cut out all kinds of little pieces of squares. So I'm kind of making a mosaic. You could also just use crayons or markers though and fill in all the little spaces. And the links for all of this is on my weekly lesson plan, and you can get that at my website. So that was our art idea for today. Some other ideas for your day include for math, you could do some favorite color graphing. You could get all the people in your family to tell you what their favorite color is, and you could fill out this bar graph. So that's another idea. Another idea for language time would be to count syllables. Now, syllables are just when you break a word into parts. And why might that be helpful? Because a word that's big like elephant can be read a lot easier if you have a little part you can blend, and then blend this part, and then blend this part, and then try to put it all together. So let's listen to the word elephant. And I'm going to clap every time we divide the word. Elephant. How many times did I clap? Let me do it again. Elephant. I clapped 3 times. So we say that elephant has 3 syllables. Every time we divide the word, that's called a syllable. Let's do some other jungle animal names, okay? How about cheetah? Cheetah. How many times did we clap? 2. Cheetah has 2 syllables. How about flamingo? Flamingo has 3 syllables. So you get the idea, parents. You can just do some syllable practice today if you like. And for science, we did something pretty cool. We talked about that an elephant has a trunk, and an elephant can suck up the water with its trunk and then blow the water out like a water hose. So we did the Diet Coke and Mentos science experiment. And so I'm going to put the link below because I'll be uploading. It's just a tiny short little video, but I'll be uploading that so you can watch that too. So have a fun time with letter E is for elephant, Elmer the elephant, and I'll see you next time.